Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can write a review on Tripadvisor. So if you want to share your travel experiences on Tripadvisor, in this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy guide to writing a review that stands out. So first, you can just sign in to Tripadvisor. Open the tripadvisor.com and sign in. After that, you can just find a business or place that you want to review. You can use the search bar to find the hotel, restaurant, or attractions that you want to review. For example, in here, I'm going to just go with this one. You can click on the name to open the listing. Now, once the listing is open, you can just scroll down until you find the options to write a review. Or you can also just click on this review tab and there will be these options to write a review. So tap on this. Now you'll just need to select a rating from 1 to 5. I'm going to go with 4 for example. And then here, just answer the questions from here. Let's say, okay, you can go, who did you go with? Family. Now you can just write your review and give the title, and if you have some photos you can also add some here, and after that check on this and tap on submit review. So review usually get published within 24 to 48 hours. Now you're all set to write some awesome TripAdvisor reviews. Start sharing your experiences today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.